Welcome to the Celtic Tiger Motors Garage. Today, again, I'm going to be doing something a little bit differently. I'm doing some electric mower repair. So I tried to rebalance this old blade and my motor is still cutting out. So that means that the blade probably just, and the whole assembly needs to be replaced. So I got a replacement, and the replacement comes with a new blade hub assembly, or whatever you call this. The word is escaping me right now. And then it comes with a new washer and a bolt screw, okay? So this is how it works. So the first thing that I've done is I've removed the old blade, and I did that by putting a 2x4 here because you need to make sure that the blade doesn't rotate when you're removing the screw, okay? So the first thing is that this hub assembly goes on first, and it goes thin side in. And you'll notice that inside here there is a flat space that goes on the, it's like a keyed output shaft to the motor, okay? This is from the motor. So you want to make sure that there's a flat place right here on the output shaft. So you want to line that up very carefully and stick it in there like that. Just stick it straight in there like that. I will also mention that I cleaned this. I cleaned out the inside. You can use an air compressor, but be careful because you don't want to blow dirt and debris up into the motor. Okay, so the next step is to remove the old parts out of the way. Okay, and all the tools that I don't need. The second step is to go get the blade itself. So I will go get the new blade. Okay, so the blade has two sides. It has this side with no writing on it, and it has the side that has the part number on it and some arrows. So if you look at the blade, it has a sharpened edge right here. So what you want to do is you want this, so this edge here is not sharpened, but this edge is. So what you want to do is make sure that this is installed on the correct side so that it will actually cut the grass. So unfortunately, there were no instructions that came with this blade. So when there's no instructions, you can either ask AI or you can just, try to figure it out. I know that this blade will spin when the motor is running. Let's see, I'm facing the right side of the lawnmower, and I know that this blade will spin clockwise. Most of your motors will spin clockwise. Okay, so if it's spinning clockwise, that means that it will be going, let's see, when the mower is on, it will be going this way. So that means that I want this sharp end to be like this. So this is the correct way to insert it with the part number on the inside, not on the outside. Okay? So then we just take the screw and the washer and just start tightening it by hand, making sure to not cross thread it. Okay? All right, so now I have my socket. This is a 5/8 inch socket. So I'm going to start tightening it now. Push it a little bit. Okay. There we go. So see how the 2x4 is holding it? And then I'm holding the hub with my hand so that it can tighten. Now I have to hold the 2x4. And again, I don't know what the torque specification is on this, but you want this pretty tight. I mean, you don't want to over tighten it, but I'll tell you that the screw, I didn't show you, but the screw has Loctite on it. And Loctite is a substance that basically acts as an adhesive so that it is not easy to come undone or unthreaded, okay? So that means that you need to make this fairly tight. So, okay, that's really tight. That's really tight. Okay, great. So now the new blade is installed. So the next step is to turn it on and see how it does. Okay, thanks so much for watching this electric mower repair video. I hope that it was useful to you, and I'll see you next time on the Celtic Tiger Motors Garage.